there something you need to say?
It's on.
Is there something you're gonna say before I do this?
I love you. I hope you do alright in it.
Love you too.
I will always love my favorite little sis.
Huh?
I said I will always love my favorite little sis.
No, you won't.
I will, sis. How's the taste? Pretty good?
Yep.
New flavor for popcorn.
Huh?
New flavor for popcorn? That's good. You gonna put on popcorn next time you have it?
No. It was just for a challenge.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it?
I'll do it, yeah. I have to do new challenges with my favorite little sis.
Huh?
So I have to do some challenges with my favorite little sis. I'll do any challenge with you.
What about that cinnamon challenge that I did?
I would take a little bit and try it.
But not a lot like I did.
Yeah.
So I almost died. Remember?
The first one or the second one?
Second one.
I hope you don't die at all. I love you.
No, but you didn't even care in it.
I did care. Did you have any problem getting to sleep?
How much am I at? What time?
2:25.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for 3 minutes.
Okay.
Popcorn is so good.
Yeah, it is. With the flavored popcorn on it too.
Huh?
With the flavored popcorn on it too.
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you once at 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Not too long. I'll stop it, okay?
Did you stop it?